Hi, our today's topic is kilowatt rating and power consumption for motor, blower, heater, and other components being used in HVAC air handling units. The first point we would be covering is a kilowatt rating for motor. For kilowatt rating, see, for example, we have a CFM for air handling unit, say 1000 CFM, and it's static. Let's assume say 6 inches of motor column, and so we want to find out a kilowatt rating for motor. A very simple, say you use formula HP is equal to CFM into static divided by 3178. This is the constant multiplying factor, sorry, a dividing factor. By putting the values, you will get roughly, say CFM is 1000 and static is 6 inches divided by 3178. Static is 6 inches. We'll get 1.88 HP. By multiplying this HP by 0.746, we'll get 1.4 kilowatt of motor. This would be the kilowatt capacity power consumption for electrical motor being used in air handling units. Thank you.